Imagine a world where you control every interaction. Power isn't just brute force, it's about perception, strategy, and timing. Robert Greene offers us a guide with the 48 laws of power. Today, we'll explore some key laws that can transform how you navigate relationships and power dynamics. Power isn't a straight path. It twists and turns, depending on your moves. One of the most surprising laws is to play a sucker. By pretending to be less knowledgeable, you encourage others to underestimate you. This makes it easier to see their true intentions. When they relax, you can anticipate their next move. Another essential law is to use surrender tactics. Sometimes, less is more. If you're overmatched, fighting harder could lead to your downfall. Instead, yield strategically. Retreat or concede gracefully. This approach allows you to conserve energy and buy time. Your opponent may overextend, giving you the perfect moment to strike back from a stronger position. Now, let's discuss the principle of concentrating your forces. If you spread yourself too thin, you achieve little. Focus all your time and resources on one key objective. This intensity commands respect and delivers results. Scatter your efforts and you risk fading into the background noise. Next, mastering the art of courtly behavior is crucial. Carry yourself with grace, patience, and respect, even while strategizing. Small courtesies can open doors that brute force can't. Being composed and respectful gives you access to influential circles. Finally, don't let others define you. Recreate yourself according to your goals. The ability to reinvent your identity makes you unpredictable. When people think they have you figured out, surprise them with your adaptability. Together, these 5 laws empower you to navigate power dynamics successfully. Disarm by appearing weaker, retreat when necessary, focus your efforts, behave gracefully, and redefine your identity continually. These qualities create flexibility and surprise, essential traits for anyone seeking power. To dive deeper into all 48 laws, grab a copy of the 48 Laws of Power by Robert Greene. Check the link in the description to learn more. Remember, mastering power is about perception and strategy. Start practicing these laws today. Transform your approach to relationships and watch your influence grow.